In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check if your Wells Fargo payment was received. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. From the list of accounts, tap on Wells Fargo credit card. On the account summary page, review your recent activity and current balance. If a payment has been received, you will typically see it listed under recent transactions or payment activity. Depending on payment method you used, it may appear as pending before it is fully processed and posted to your account. You can also verify your payment by signing into your account on the official Wells Fargo website. After logging in, select your credit card account and review your transaction history or payment history. If the payment has been received, it will be displayed along with the date and amount. Another way to confirm your payment is by checking your bank account if you paid from a checking or savings account. Once the payment has been processed, you will usually see the funds withdrawn from your bank account, followed by the payment being reflected on your Wells Fargo credit card account. If you have enrolled in account alerts, Wells Fargo may send you an email, text message, or push notification confirming that your payment has been received or posted. You can manage these notification preferences through the Wells Fargo app or online banking. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.